It looks like a normal, quiet workday. Then suddenly, an unexpected security alert pops up on your screen. Look at the message in your inbox. Did you actually request a password reset? Attackers use fake alerts exactly like this one to steal your credentials. Once they capture your password, they bypass our security and unlock your email, your files, and our customer databases. A single stolen password gives an attacker direct access to the network. One compromised user account becomes an open door into the entire organization. The first warning sign to watch for is an unexpected password reset email. If you did not actively request a change, do not click the link. Attackers send these messages to manufacture a false sense of urgency. They want to panic you into voluntarily typing your real credentials into their system. The second warning sign is a sudden login alert originating from an unfamiliar location or an unknown device. This is a severe alert. It indicates that an attacker already possesses your password and is actively attempting to use it. The third warning sign is a fake login page. The design mimics our real portal, but look closely. The web address is slightly altered. Before typing your password, always verify that the web address matches the official company URL perfectly. The final warning sign is an unexpected multi-factor authentication prompt appearing on your mobile device when you are not trying to log in. Never approve a login request unless you are the one signing in. Knowing what to look for allows you to deny the request and stop the attack before it succeeds. When you encounter any of these suspicious alerts, follow our 3-step standard operating procedure. Stop, verify, report. Physically stop before clicking any links. Verify the request through official channels. Then immediately report the incident to the IT team. Adhering to this strict reporting process secures your personal account. It also protects your team, the entire organization, and our clients. To report an incident or ask a question, send an email to info@expertsprimeacademy.com.